What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're taking a look at my home office desk setup where I do video editing, audio production, and whatever else is on the agenda for the day. So at the heart of the whole thing is the IKEA YouTube special, the Alex drawer and kitchen countertop combo that looks super clean and provides ample amount of space. So I really have nothing wrong with it there. Now, along the back side of the desk, I do have a LIFX strip to give everything some color, and of course the chair is of IKEA descent as well, in case you're curious. Now, of course, everything I mentioned here will be linked in the description, so be sure to check that out if you want to know. Anyway, this is my iMac Pro, and it's sitting on top of a Satechi aluminum stand, which gives it a little more height. And for front side connectivity, I have the Satechi hub that integrates perfectly with the iMac Pro, as you can see. Now, this iMac is the main workhorse around here, and of course, I'm using Final Cut Pro on it for editing, but I do switch to Adobe Premiere from time to time depending on my needs. Oh, and if you want to look at my 2019 gaming setup or a full home office tour, leave this video a thumbs up. But my gaming PC is something special, and I put together a build video on it a while back, so check the link in the description if you want to see that. So with the iMac Pro, I'm using the standard issue Apple keyboard and trackpad combo, but I have an additional mouse here, and that is the Logitech G703. And yes, I know this is a gaming mouse, but it's comfy, and I have it on top of the Nomad leather mousepad, which fits in nice with the wood theme here, but overall, it's a great mouse. For audio, I'm using the Yamaha HS5 monitor speakers, and those are sitting on top of some IsoAcoustics stands, and these are pretty affordable speakers for the quality, and I have them hooked up into the Universal Audio Aero interface, which actually connects to the iMac via Thunderbolt 3. Now, if I'm feeling like listening in private, I'm a big fan of the LASMEX L85 open back headphones, but unfortunately they're not that easy to find online anymore, and I'm using an Elago stand to keep them off the desk. Above the desk, I have a custom light that was literally made from a skateboard. It's pretty cool. Now, this company called Reilluminated makes them, and I actually became friends with the guy a while back, and I think they're super cool all around. He makes all kinds of cool looking lamps, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Of course, no desk is complete without a red Swingline Stapler, right? I mean, got the Milton feels going on there, if you know what I'm talking about.
I believe you have my stapler.
I also have a smartphone or tablet stand here as well, just in case, and the lamp is from IKEA as well. And in case you haven't noticed, IKEA probably makes up about 90% of YouTube setups out there. The whole thing here is meant to be super clean, distraction free, and it's a pretty simple setup. I mean, but it's super effective for working, at least for what I do. It's minimal but powerful and works great for me. But I want to know what you think about this setup in the comment section below. And as mentioned, if you want to see a full home office tour, hit that thumbs up button or drop a comment below, and be sure to subscribe if you're new around here, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos like this drop. I appreciate all the support, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.